Hey, fourth grade. Okay, you should have tried numbers 9 and 10. And now let's go over the answers. Okay, let's see how you did. Okay, Joe, number 9. This is on page 40. Okay, guys. Joe's Bookmark sells 468,500 books this year. To the nearest thousand, how many books does the store sell? Show your work. So, what you should have done is, I'm going to take my paper for this one, okay, to show you what yours should have looked like. One way to do it would be to write the number down, okay? And I want to go to the nearest thousand. So the thousands place is right here where the digit 8 is. So I'm going to look to the right of it, and to the right I see a 5, okay? And I'm going to remember my saying, 5 or more, go one more. Make sure that the thousands place is the one that's going one more. So under that, 1 more than 8 is 9. Everything in front of it stays the same. So I'm going to put my 6 and my 4. Everything after becomes a 0. So I'm going to put my 3 zeros. So your answer should have been 469,000. Okay. Now let's take a look at the last one. Okay, this number rounded to the nearest 10. So let me show you. I'm going to get that number written down. 649,418. Okay, if I'm rounding to the nearest 10, I'm going to think of the tens place right here, and I'm going to look at the digit to the right. 5 or more, go one more. So 1 more in the tens place is a 2. Everything after becomes a 0, and everything before stays the same. So I'm just going to bring these down and keep them exactly like they are, like that. So you should have had 649,420 for the tens. Let's look at the hundreds. Okay, so if I look at the hundreds place and look to the right, 4 or less, let it rest. So my 4 is going to stay the same. So I'm going to put it as a 4. Everything after is a 0, and everything in front stays the same. So this is rounded to the nearest 100. Let's look at the thousands. Okay, circle the digit, look to the right. 4 or less, let it rest. So here, I'm going to let the 9 rest. It's going to stay. Everything after becomes a 0, and everything in front stays the same. So this is rounded to the nearest 1,000. To the nearest 10,000. Let me get a new piece of paper here. Okay, write my number again. Okay, let's work with the 10,000s now. So here's my 10,000s. Look to the right. 5 or more, go one more. So the 4 becomes a 5. Everything after becomes a 0. And everything in front stays the same. Okay, the last one, the nearest 100,000s. Here's my 100,000s. Look to the right. 4 or less, let it rest. So my 6 stays a 6, and everything after becomes a 0. And there's nothing in front, so it's 600,000. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, make sure and send me a message. Your job now is to go on to pages 41 and 42 in your math book and make sure and send me a picture of that as your homework. Put it on Google Classroom. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye.